Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Knothole Gang. Probably going to be a quick one this week because of the rain. We were not able to get a lot of footage, and also because the views from back here from Mickey and Friends parking structure are not great. But hey, one thing I want to note real quick: they closed that gap, or the opening. I think they did it a few weeks ago, but I didn't note it. But yeah, that building is now closed, which suggests to me that they are pretty much done, maybe, with the interiors. Maybe they don't have to bring in any new major pieces, at least. So that's a good sign in terms of the progress of the attraction. And we kind of know this already because we're seeing sneak peeks video from inside the ride, and it's pretty fantastic. And that's on that note, while there's not much to see as we scan the top of the Rise of the Resistance building. There's not much to see, but there is news. Check out our video that we just released on Fresh Bake Presents, where we have basically the complete ride details. We know everything that's going to happen in Rise of the Resistance now, or at least the rumors. Disney hasn't confirmed it yet, but I mean, I feel like it's the real deal. So check that out, Fresh Bake Presents. Watch our video on that topic. We'll go back to Rivers of America from the Mark Twain. We weren't able to film from the top deck of the Mark Twain this week because of the rain. It was too slippery up there, which is part of the reason why we have such a short show this week. We have about half as much footage as we normally get because of the weather. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see how the color has changed on that peak right there, on that spire? That is super dark. We got to look at that again in a little bit, I think. That's almost charcoal. I'm looking forward to being able to film again this weekend to get some proper footage. It has now been 3 weeks, really, since we've seen anything useful from Galaxy's Edge. All right, there it is again. That's super dark. That got a new paint job, I think, or a new coat. Let's take a look. Actually, that's 3 weeks ago. I mean, am I crazy, or am I crazy, or is that a different? Did they touch that up? Did they give it a new shade? And I'm wondering, is it just that area? Because it seems such a stark contrast to the other rock work around it. Maybe they're going to further darken these. I can't believe that because the scaffolding's gone. Or you know what? It could be just a trick of the light. Because when could they have done this? I haven't seen scaffolding on these areas for quite a while. There wasn't any then, right? And there aren't any now. But I mean, goodness, that does look different. Hopefully, that's not light. When did they do that? When could they have done that? Or am I crazy? Fresh Bake, let me know. Let's vote. Is David crazy? Is it the light? What's going on here? Or did they actually repaint it somehow without any scaffolding going up? That's the reason why I'm noticing is because of the contrast, right? Look at that. Really difficult to see anything through the trees from the second level. We're lower for one. We don't have as much time to see anything, to pick anything up. We have more time when we're on the top deck because we can zoom in on something and stay there for a while. Whereas on the middle deck, we only have moments, for stuff to be in the line of sight. Now that looks like a normal color. That looks pretty normal there. But that's not the same area. It's off to the left from there. But that's what we've been seeing. There you go, guys. That's the extent of our show this week from the Knothole gang. Do stay tuned though, because we are going to keep doing this every week, even though the views are getting, less and less interesting, I guess is the word. But do stay tuned. We're closing in on the finale here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. Respect. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!